This video is continuing second part of the paragraph session. Okay, so here we will see the sorting tool. Okay, now this table is in front of us. I'm selecting the table. I can just select, I can click here and select it. Okay, now I want to rearrange this division names in alphabetical order. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to sorting. Now here you can see my list has header row is already being selected. Correct? If no header row means it will consider the our title row as inputs only. But we have our header row, that's why let us select header row. Okay. Now sort by division. Correct? The first column is division. So and I want to rearrange the division only. Okay, type is text only. Okay, whether it should be ascending or descending, I want sending. Click on OK. So look, you can see now it is being rearranged in alphabetical manner. Okay, A M N and NAG and then NAS, then P. Got it? Now here. Now next is district. I want to sort districts also in alphabetical manner. So I will go, I will keep the division as it is. I will select district text and I will keep it as ascending. Okay. Okay. Now you can see, let me undo it so I can clearly tell you what change exactly happened. Okay. So I have done the undo. Okay. After doing the undo, we can see that Nagpur division has three districts, that is Chandrapur, Wardha, and again Chandrapur. So I want this two Chandrapur above Wardha, correct? Then it will be like in ascending order. I'm selecting this. Okay. Now sort by division is done. Next, where we want to sort? We want to sort a districts. So I will click on district, ascending, and okay. Now you can see that in Nagpur division, this Chandrapur and Chandrapur is coming above Vardha, though that become in ascending order. Okay, in an alphabetically ascending order. Now next, okay, next I can see that this Sangli. In Sangli district, the name two names are there, Zubair and Kiran. So Kiran should be above Zubair. Correct? Why? Because we want to keep everything in ascending, alphabetically ascending. Okay. So what I will do, I will select everything again, whole table. We'll go to sorting. Now in sort, I will put it as name. So sorting, we started with division, then we sorted by district, and then we will sort by name. Okay. Type is text, and I want it ascending. Okay, now you can see the Kiran is above Zubair now. So it is in alphabetical manner, K and then Z. So I hope you got this. So look, here I have done everything individually. Like first I have done division, then district, and then name. Okay, this is just to explain you. When you are doing it, you put all your instruction at once and click OK. So that's it in this video. Thank you.